good. Other than hitting my bumpers.
Yeah, I just think something about that.
Yeah.
Your bumpers.
Yeah.
Your bumpers are cracked.
I know. I'm gonna do a different bumper design. I got to. Because of these arm designs. Huh?
Maybe take right there where it's cracked at.
Yeah.
Cut it down. And put it facing between. Kind of thing and roll the bumper forward.
Yeah, I'll just do something else.
Or put a bigger spacer in between.
Right.
Like what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
That's the easy way. This is the intermediate way.
We're gonna take this way.
And you just put the forward A on.
Yeah. Yep. Check it out before we get into the drag races. I want you guys to check this out. The CForce 500 with the R.N.G performance clutch kit He's got the SRM3 Helix. He's got our primary kit. And this thing just hauls and gives this machine a run for his money. Now, I believe they said this was an 800, but I don't remember exactly. But nonetheless, it gives it a good run. Don't forget to get your merch. www.rngperformance.net, as well as your clutch kits and all your parts and accessories. Let's check out this clip.
Go, Brian!
All right, let's stage these two up. You're good.
Woo!
All right, you ready? Watch them lights.
Woo!
I think lane one gonna get him.
Got him by a thread. That was about it.
Oh, polaris red line.
Woo!
Now, you just seen that was Curren RV in that 950. They just put the spank down on that 4-door Polaris. Now, here's the kicker. That, to me, is unfair. They should have never put that 4-door up against that sport machine because, well, it's a disadvantage. Weight, length, the whole 9 yards. They should have put that 4-door against me. You'll see what they did to me in a minute. They totally skipped over putting the 4-door with me, the other 4-door. You'll see that coming up. These guys don't know how to set up a drag. They just don't. They're just straight up winging it, or I don't know, but considering the biasness, calling us China and everything else, I don't know. Maybe they were doing it. I have no idea, but they should have put 4-door against 4-door, and they should have put Curren RV up against what they put up against me to actually have a run that would be worthwhile. I don't know. That's just me. You tell me what you think in the comments below. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about.
Done. This is America. Watch them lights. America versus China.
Do they not know where their crapped ham parts come from?
China's creeping up on him.
Go, go, go! Go! Aw.
Yep, I lost, but to be fair, I only owned the machine for like 20 minutes. I'm not even kidding. Curren RV delivered it to me about 15 minutes before that. And I hurried up and tossed in a primary kit. And little did I know, the rev limiter on that bad puppy sucks donkey balls. It's at 7450, and my kit was holding it there the whole way down the track, which was limiting me on the speed and the pickup and all that. So, yep, a tune is in the future, and then I want to put a Helix in because that would have been a game changer for sure. But we did with what we had at the time at the park, and I literally had 15 minutes to have it down there.
That
So.
is a big machine. Got a big man in there too.
Woo!
And we got Mr. Michael in his little canned ham commander.
Woo!
Now, why in the world would you put me up against that? Shouldn't you have put me up against the 4-door? Why? I don't get why you... That's like a total disadvantage. And then they put that 4-door Razor up against Curren, which was a disadvantage to the other 4-door. All you did was screw us both. I mean, did you want us to lose? Do you... You know, it almost, I don't get it. I don't get it, but it is what it is. Let's run them.
All right, let's stage him in.
What's it called? Bandit?
Bandit is the name, yeah.
There's one. There's two. Watch them lights.
Woo!
Oh my God, the jump.
course I was gonna get smoked. What did you expect? I should have ran the other 4-door to make it fair for both of us to have some sort of a chance, fighting chance. I mean, what do you expect, you ding-dongs? I mean, let me know what you guys think down below. I want to thank you guys for stopping, hanging out, watching this video. Please leave me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And we have quite a bit more footage from this place that I'm going to go ahead and put together. And can't wait for you guys to see it and hear your thoughts. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one. Make sure you hit up my website, rngperformance.net. Grab you some merch, hats, shirts, and some parts and accessories. Peace.